505 Detroit Street, scoping the sewer line after cleaning the line and after the repair. 40 foot to the city sewer. There's our tap connection into the main. Did clean the line with 4-inch double knives. Line is original clay tile piping after the repair. Flip the camera. Couple of slight offsets there in the clay. It's pretty common for terracotta pipe. And there's our connection on from the repair to the original pipe. Did do schedule 40 at our repair, PVC piping. So now we'll go ahead and go, so our cleanouts are located here in front of 507. 505 is next door. So the cleanout closest to the steps here goes to the alley, and then the cleanout further away from the steps goes back to 505. So you can see there's our connection on to original SDR piping. And there's where 505 comes in and connects. So 505 Detroit Street, sewer line has been repaired, cleaned, tested, and inspected, and is flowing well at this time. No recommendations for sewer at this time.